I go, you will carry me. I just hope you know my day.
Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine, as you guys can see. So guys, today is another hair review. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Chelsea and I review wigs from different companies, any types of wigs. That is what I review in this channel, and I try my best to install them, okay, in my own way, because I'm not a hair stylist and I'm not a professional. All right guys, the wig I'll be installing today is from Lwigs. So the wig came with some goodies, a card from Lwigs, then at the back is their contact, their WhatsApp number, their website, email address at the back as well. See, so let's see inside the card. Okay, scan the QR to win 50 reward. Okay, this QR, when you scan it, you can win $50 reward. And there's another thing that came with the wig. Let me bring it out. Is this box? What's inside this box? This red box. This red box. Ah, there's a gold comb. Ooh. And a gold mirror. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is so cute. When I'm traveling, ooh, this is going to be in my purse. It's so cute. So when you place an order from them, all these are going to come with your wig. Not just me alone. So all the information about this wig will be on the description box. So dash to the description box and check that out. Okay guys, let's remove this from it. Ah, it's coily. This coily hair. Oh, this is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. See, the knots of the lace came bleached. You can see that's one thing I like with Lwigs. They always pluck their hairline and they bleach the knots of their wig. So if you don't know how to do that, they do that for you. That is so cool. I like that about them. Some baby hair here, and the hair is coily. Oh, this is so lovely. Look at the inside, the construction. It came with detachable adjustable strap and inbuilt one. See, inbuilt one. And also there are some combs inside, at the back and by the side. So let's wear this wig and see. So guys, this is it on. Oh, this is like Afro. And the hair is a little bit dry. Ah, this is Afro. So what part am I going to do? Should I do side part? I think I should do side part. Let me try and do create side part. I'll create side part. Oh, look at the joining. The joining is here. So I'm going to create it from here. The part is not going to straight. You need to cover. Okay, because we need to cover the joining. Yeah, this is what I got. So I'm going to cut the lace from it. Let me put this down and this down. Oh, I like the hair. It's like Afro. This is just like Afro. This is beautiful. right now I'm going to wet it and add the cream to it. Okay, because I know you can wet it. Let's wet the whole of this.
Play it real smooth. So we took a ride. One last spot with the best kind of side. Funny always.
So guys, it's wet. You can see this. It has reduced. See that? So I'm going to add cream. I'm going to add this to it.
Wanna make you feel good. Try it for me, babe. Try it for me, babe. Play it real smooth. Yeah, slide on me, babe. Slide on me, babe.
You see how the coil is defined. Wow. And it does not tangle, you see? And the hair is so long now.
It won't be for life. Not this time. I just stay for the night. Yeah. Slide on me, babe. 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 I wanna make you feel good. Try it for me, babe. Try it for me, babe. Play it real smooth. Yeah, slide on me, babe. Slide on me, babe. I wanna make you feel real good. Try it for me, babe. Try it for me, babe. Play it real smooth. Slide on me, babe. Slide on me, babe. Try it for me, babe. Try it for me, babe. I wanna make you feel
So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And some other wigs that I've reviewed before from Lwigs, I will leave all on the description box. So if you're interested, dash to the description box. Okay, I really love this hair. I like the way that you can just leave it afro dry, and if you want to reduce the volume or you want coils, you will just wet it, add cream, and it will bounce back. Oh, this is gorgeous. All right, I will check to see if there's any discount code. It's going to be on the description box. Check that out as well. All right guys, bye.